I'm super excited to share with you guys my Ancestry DNA test because
I got loyalty inside my DNA. Cocaine quarter.
the Ancestry DNA experience has been so fun for me. You're just waiting for the results, and it's fun. It's fun to know where you came from. In my biology class, my professor said, if you ever come across a racist person, to make sure to tell them to check their DNA, because we all started in Africa. According to scientists, we all started there, we migrated out, so we are all immigrants. We're all one, you know. I think it's pretty incredible to know your story, your background, where your family comes from. I understand, like, I'm born in the USA, but I'm really curious to find out my family background. I did try to get some answers from my family. I found more from my dad's side, where they told us that we were French. So that's something, hopefully I could see in my DNA results. And then from my mom's side, they said that our great-great-grandpa or something like that he was Native, so he was a Native American. So I think that's pretty interesting. So hopefully the DNA results will tell me about exactly if it is. Hopefully it'll confirm it. Alright, let's get to the results. DNA matches. Okay, here's my DNA results. 62% Native American, 9% from Ireland or Scotland or Wales, and 13 other regions. Many of these people are DNA matches, so they're 415 fourth cousins or closer. It's kind of interesting. So these people could be related to me somehow. Somehow. Here's my DNA story. This is where you could find out exactly in details the background story to everything. So 62% Native American, 9% from Ireland, and 9% from Europe South and Europe West. So that's the confirm. So that's kind of proof from my French blood in me. It's funny because when I was in high school, I used to joke around and say Irish just because my favorite color was green. As you can tell right here, my covers are green. But yeah, it's so cool. And this, you could just go up and you could see the whole map in general and breaks it down for you. So that's Europe right here, and then this is Ireland and Scotland and Wales, and this is the whole Native American part of it. And then it tells you where exactly have you been concentrated the most. So that's where I started, supposedly. I mean, not started, immigrated from. It tells you the story and more in detail if you want to click on it. Yeah, so those are my DNA results. Kinda cool. And I'll show you guys right now exactly. So much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to go look at my other videos that I have on. I'm gonna put my original video where I'm unboxing the Ancestry DNA test, so make sure to watch that too. It's gonna be down in the description box. Make sure to follow me on social media. And yeah, have a good day. Thank you so much again for watching this video. I really appreciate it.